What are the common reasons for a H-1B denial? It could be many reasons, but now it depends really on the given political climate at that particular time. Some reasons will always be there, but some new reasons always crop up, depending on what USCIS is, how they're interpreting the law at that time. And as I said, the political climate is responsible for that, really. But so they decide to interpret it more strictly or less strictly, depending on whether they're opening the gates or they're closing them. But there's some evergreen ones which there will always be a denial. For example, if you don't meet the basic requirements of a H1, which is, the job should be a specialty occupation. Specialty occupation means a job that requires a bachelor's degree in a specific field. So if you file a H1, for example, for a janitor, it's not going to be approved because a janitor doesn't require a bachelor's degree. If you file a H1 for a doctor, it will be approved if they're licensed, because it's very clear that a doctor requires at least a bachelor's degree, an MD, and a license. So there'll be no question on that from USCIS. But in the scenario of consulting companies, there are some other nuanced reasons for denial of the H1, and that's basically availability of work. So if the consulting company is filing a H1 speculatively, meaning they're saying that, okay, we'll get them on the payroll first, and then we will, hire them once we get a job for them, meaning that we will put them on the payroll, but we will look for a job after we put them on the payroll. That's speculative. You have to show that you have a job as of the date of filing. And so in this scenario, in this industry, in the consulting scenario, there are often denials for the availability of work or non-availability of work because they were not able to show that work was available at the time of filing the petition. Though these availability of work denials have become less and less with, the 2020 decision, IT-Serve versus Cessna, where the judge said that, you cannot ask for contracts and work orders and a lot of documentation to show availability of work. So there haven't been that many denials on that front, but mostly you also see some denials on change of status or maintenance of status. Like I was talking about the F1 to H1. If you're not able to show that a person is in status, then you could see a denial on that front. So these are a few common reasons for denial. There are many more, but these are a few common reasons that, we can highlight at least this session.
Yes.
Time,
Thank you.
given the time. Yeah.
Right.
Don't forget to subscribe to our videos if you like what you see. Also give us a thumbs up and share the video with your family and friends. Thank you.